morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, our very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So right now I'm outside. As you can see how my village looks like. Everywhere it's green and the sky is blue in color. You can see like the clouds are white in color. Anyway guys, on today's videos are very special, and thank you so much for clicking my videos. I appreciate for the love and support. And on these videos I'm going to visit one of my friend. Actually today, like, I host on this platform two peoples, and one people, like right now I'm heading to his home, just like 2 kilometers from my home to his home. And then at the same time I host one of the ladies you will see on this amazing channel. And guys, if you're watching these videos for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe, share, like my videos. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Anyway guys, let's go. So I'm heading this way, and I'm going to have maybe some sweet talk to him, and maybe I see how he was progress on his project. But I think there's a time I went there and I showed him how to take the measurement for the toilet. Actually, even today I was not around here, but I received his call on my phone, and then he told me, okay, I send the mason to your place, so they want to take the measurement, exactly the size of your toilet. I tell him, no problem, man. You just come, and your mason can take the measurement of the toilet. So I'm going to see the progress that he was making day by day. Wow, guys. Look, I'm not faking thing. Look how our village, it's full of green. Look, even this side, like left, right, center, everything is pure green here. Wow. And guys, in case you're new here, go and check also David Jr. Subscribe to his channel, show him some love, guys. The way I am today, he was the one who introduced me to you guys, and why not, guys? I want to help that lady as I can, but I'm advise her to do a nice content here and there, so she can able maybe anytime, maybe next year, this year, when she will succeed on this journey, maybe she can put something on table for their family. Why not? And on this side we have guava trees. When I was a kid, I was coming and climbing here, eating guavas right here, but the ripe one. And as you know, like, guavas are not good, are not good maybe to eat day by day. You can eat as maybe enjoyment. And guys, where I'm passing right now, look how the road looks like. Even you can't pass with a car here. Maybe you use the main road on the other side. When I'm going to Border Town, I was from my home going around up to Border Town. So inside here, maybe you pass with your motorbike or your bicycle. And most of the time people said, oh, there is to, like, every day, why do you ride the bike in your village? I'm telling you, there's some places you can't pass with your car. For example, like this place, it needs the bike or bicycle. And the good thing is, we're lucky enough. Imagine, from my neighbor here, we have the electricity from my home, my neighbor to my home. It's around 4 posts from here. You see that? That's the post right there. Oh, the cow is coming, so I must be very careful. That's the bull cow. Oh yeah. Goyando man, kama hili menya. Agasa na okora.
Fish, eh?
Fish. So he was coming from the grazing point, and right now he's taking the cows to maybe having water. Look guys, my village have been improved. Like I feel so, like, I feel so crazy. Look, I can't wait to see my mama house coming like in this shape, like this shape. Look, look, guys, I'm not faking things. You see by yourself. Look, and I think these are 2 bedroom, 2 bedroom to 3 bedroom, like a small one. Look, you see, guys, by yourself. But one day, the time could be allowed Hello Baby to build her mama dream house. I'm telling you guys, by God grace, me I'm just dreaming it. This year, guys, I will build. And when I'm starting demolish the house, you'll be there watching the videos, starting from the ground, from the foundation up to the rental. You've been there watching the videos, and then you say, okay, Hello Baby, I see your dream come true. Let me tell you guys, if you focus ahead, like to achieve, you want to do something in future, you'll make it. Why not? As long as you put more effort on that something that you achieve, you're ready to go. Like Hello Baby, I put more effort on my mama dream house. You will see, guys. You wait. I'm telling you, one day you will see. So imagine, guys, this place you can't pass with a car. Look, have stones here. Even to pass with a motorbike, there's some places here you struggle a lot. You see within here. How can you pass with a car? Look, even a motorbike. These are stones. You will struggle passing here. So I will pass at Crab Joseph's place, and then as I'm crossing to Brother Daggy's place, these are I think these are coffee trees within here. And imagine the crazy thing, we have the coffee plantation here, and the company or industry you'd find maybe in Kisumu or Nairobi. I'm telling you, wow. So neighbors to Cloud Joseph, we see Cloud Joseph's mom's house right here. Whoa. Amazing place. Baby's house, no problem. Bulletproof house, you see. Mugende Dreamer's house. I'm telling you guys, you see how people improved day by day in terms of maybe building and construction. So for me, I'm passing here because this is a shortcut going to Brother Dag, where I'm heading to right now. Let's see. We have tomato here. Hey. Bulletproof house to the one. Cloudy! We have the small round out here. Ako happy? Oh. We have baby here. Walk. Weird. Oh. Cloudy, I no quit. I'm asking Cloud Joseph, and baby told me nobody's here. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Yes, guys. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel and also to Cloud Joseph's channel. Hi, Walk. Yeah,
Manyota.
I receive a call. Hello. Niko hapa kwa Brother Dagi ndo naelekea. Ngoja basi nifike hivi nimuone nikuje. Ndio nimeenda sasa, nilikuwa nilikuwa napikia watoto lunch.
Weka chini unimwagie.
Wow, that's the call from David Jr. So I'm going to his site. He's still here for the baby.
Amanti no moro. Hakuna sukari.
Oh. We are drinking tea. Alright guys, you have the dog here. Hello. Nilienda mama hakuwa, sasa nikawapikia lunch.
Acha tu nitembe.
Ama nikuje. Alright guys, I had a call from David Jr. So supposed to take him to his place. So Remy, do this guys. Have the dog. It's tight on the chain. Aya, uambie kirudi nitakuja mbona.
Sawa.
Wow. Sasa nilikutana naye jana. Well guys, so right now I'm keep going to Brother Dagi. So Kerr Joseph, he was my neighbor. Imagine from his home here to my home, it's around 1 kilometer apart. Imagine guys. So look, the beautiful land here. You have the sand, you have a nice house. I'm telling you guys, construction, it's step by step. No pressure. No pressure. Look at this house. It's a nice house. Look. Wow. So, Kerr Joseph and Brother Dag, also their neighbor. You try to imagine how maybe we stay maybe closely. Near. So when I was coming from home, I was telling you that when I'm going to Border Town, I was going around, and then I meet this Muram Road, the main road here, because here you can't pass with the car, maybe motorbike. There's some stones on the other side. You see? Whoa! And I'm telling you, this road, they are on map. I'm telling you, this one here, it goes to Border Town. And I know guys, it's not for your first time. Maybe this place, it's maybe very common. I was passing here showing you going to Border Town and all stuff. I was showing you Achiever School. We have one of the local school here. Right here for the young kids. Right here. Known as Achiever School. As you know, the kids maybe can't walk long distance from the village, so you must have maybe the local school within. And just over here we have the signboard, the local signboard meant from about. You have Achiever School Education Center, PO Box 85 Sibania, motto strive for the best. I'm telling you guys. So let me show you. You see right there, Achiever School Education Center means these are education center. PO Box 85 Isbania. Motto, strive for the best. Why not? So brother Dagi, he was staying opposite side. And anyway guys, I'm just going. Oh, I see the beautiful car coming guys at the back, heading to Border Town. See that baby right there. Wow. So anyway guys, in case you are new here, welcome to Brother Dagi place. Wow. Let me show you guys. There's another car, there's another lorry coming. Oh my God, if you remember my camera, they were being transported from Kisumu up to my village here with a Faga cargo. Let me show you. It's a lucky day. You see? You'll see that car. Look how it's coming. That get the brought. You see Faga cargo right there, company. Just like It's the river, some stuff from one place to another. Imagine guys, all the way from Kisumu, like my camera was being sent from all the way from US with one of my beloved Jamaican mom. Thank you so much. May God bless you. I got that camera all the way from there up to Kisumu. From Kisumu, I have one friend of mine. Big shout out to you, bro, Corey. And then he traveled from Kisumu to America with his wife, and then because she married a foreigner wife. Thank you so much for that, a nice couple. Thank you so much, Corey Bichang and Corey Traveler. So I'm just over here to say thank you so much, because he was the one who put this camera on that car that I was showing you, that cargo, and then to Boiler Town, and then I pick it. There's a video I made. Wow. So anyway guys, apart from that, welcome to Brother Daggy's home. Try to imagine I was coming from right there going this way. Wow. Eh. Yeah. Atafututi. Uvokia wote rekoi. Endelea kazi mbona. Kana unasimama. Vipi? Endelea na kazi. Endelea basi kufanya kazi. So I was finding him doing some job here, small. Hey, bossy. Oh, come in there, mbona. Yakione.
Hey. Welcome, brother.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome home.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's Brother Daggy here. I want to welcome you at my home here in the village at Nyabohanse. Today, guys, we are having a hero baby. He's our...
Your name. You are lucky enough nowadays.
Yeah.
Nowadays you are lucky. You get shout out everywhere.
Wow. It's
imagine.
It's grace by God, you know.
They ever give you shout out, I myself, and got maybe shout outs from my Yuguno. That's how you grow.
Thank you,
brother,
for supporting me. Thank you for supporting me.
Oh, now you are in Gambut. What is going on? You're in Gambut.
Guys, today we are working, you know, and you are working hard to make sure that the project that we are having here in the village, it's moving on. And let's see what is going on. Welcome, brother.
Yes, in the morning you calling me and then you want to take the measurement from my toilet.
You know
exactly.
Exactly.
Yes.
Wow. So this is the work that you are doing here. How can you see this?
It's a nice job.
Yeah.
Hey. How do you feel when you are a boss?
I'm not.
Like, you know, you have many means of bosses. Like, you see people working at your home.
Yes.
This is your structure. Now you are a boss. At the same time, even me at home there.
Yes.
When somebody work at my toilet,
you are
I'm the boss. Why not? Kasongo.
Hello, baby, official guy.
Okay, it's 6 feet going this way.
Yeah, it's 6 feet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even if you feel, you can add one bathroom here. Maybe here.
This one is enough.
Kama unataka tu si lazima unaweza ongeza bafu moja hapo. Ukipenda.
Itakuwa mingi. Itakuwa kama ya shule. Ile inatosha, hii bado itakuwa bado bafu kama bado.
Kwani choo ni ngapi?
Choo ni mbili.
Oh. Toilet is 2. 1, 2. And this is a washroom.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, unaweza nalingana na zangu.
Sasa nimeziseti vizuri.
See guys.
Mchanga ndio unaniletea shida.
Kwani hu?
Hiyo ni mbaya fundi. Inajua imekula simiti. Hizi ni simiti mbili wamekoroga.
Sulete tukutuku moja. Ama pickup moja upatiane shilingi 1,000 sijui na 100. Nataka ni shilingi 1,400. Kuleteo pickup.
Sawa, unajua ile wamesema ni mbaya.
Ukileta si nimeona imekaa ni kama ni wa plaster.
Iko matope yani entagito.
Ngora kunyari simiti my friend. So I was talking the issue of maybe exchanging the sand, because this one is somehow smooth and we need the rough for the setting of bricks here. Hey, the washroom. Look, is a toilet. Hey, no problem. Sasa usipesi unongore karku ya bucho.
Yora ni stare.
Pone nyoreno hano yari samwe hano. Kila sa plastic ipigwa. Na ile choo unajitaka kutoka wapi? Unajua ni kutoka wapi dai? Choo itakaa hapa. Na itakuja hadi hapa.
Bado ni sawa.
Sasa hii nafasi yote inabaki ni nyuma.
Bado ni sawa, iko sawa.
Okay. Oh, it's the same measurement to my toilet. I'm telling you guys. The boss with the gambut. Oh, you are complaining this sand.
This sand is not good, man.
Yes, it's meant for the plaster.
Yeah.
You see?
I've seen this one.
Sana wakolete kono.
Na ni andete chacha. Kana taringe hano.
Kono hata nini hayagata huria. Hari kibosi kirenge. Kono labda uiplasta first. Kati plasta. Utachura pick up. Pick up ugumwe batachura tipikari bine kimukuru hano bechogani. Bigari bitatukuru abine ku pick up bechogani kimugono ndabaratana. Ayani bitibigari bine musuko. Sasa bitatukura ku pick up bemkikimuhana.
So guys, Hello Baby is trying to advise me like I have to add another sand.
Yes, like
so
one
that,
pickup.
Yeah. So that they can be able to fix with this. But this one, it's not a good sand to...
Yeah, this one you use a lot of cement.
It's taking a lot of cement. So can you imagine today only...
You spend 2 bags.
2 bags of cement. Guys, can you see?
And apart from that, your toilet is so big, bro. I'm
so big,
you.
I know. You know, it's 3 rooms.
3 rooms,
yes.
Yeah. No problem. Konongora akunyere. Atakuja alete pikapu moja katosha. Yaani utaomba eva gani? Tebea kwa tromo sensi mtu sana.
Akama kwa ngeke inse kora.
Yake rubi. Ora ne matagito.
Jera kupa ko komuha.
Ora no ora abda ai ora abda makene dimbarera. Wow, and then at the same time we have the handman. It's chilling right there. Let me show him. Why do you hiding here? Say hello.
Hello. Hi guys.
I'm telling you guys, this guy is the one who dig my toilet, and then maybe you see, the good thing about the handman, you make work so like fast, and then you left your mason. And I was working like that at David Jonas Construction, and then I make sand faster. I give the mason here and there.
I'm the Mzungu.
You're the Mzungu.
Yes, of course.
Of the village. Wow. I see you have a lot. Yes, you have a lot of bricks, bro.
And yeah, you know, we are building also up to this.
Oh, the front porch. Fundi. Siriona vile ile choo imetengenezwa.
Hata iongeza.
Inakwenda juu pima ni height ngapi?
Hapa mbele 7. Huko
nyuma
huko 6. Kama na inchi 3 hivi. Na hapa
kuja hivi. Because guys, I'm asking him, the mason, he takes the measurement exactly my toilet. Nauliza, hivi ni 6? Kule ni 6? Haya, hapa ni 7. Nyuma 6.
Itamwaga maji.
Nyuma, hivyo. Haya, jenga, mimi sina shida.
Sawa.
Iwe jenga tu. I was confirming the measurement.
Lakini yangu inue juu 2 foot moja ikuwe 7.
Wapi?
Juu.
Hapa. Anakuambiaje hapa?
Juu hivi.
Kwenda juu. Kutoka hapa kwenda juu ni 57.
Ni 7 hapa.
Nyuma ni 6 na sijui na hiyo nimesema. 19. It will be taller, 7 feet.
7 feet.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Na mlango ulipata ni futi ngapi? 6? Urefu wa mlango.
Ni 6.
Yeah, the height of the door is 6 inches. He take everything, the measurement. So unaona choo ni pana. Ila utakuna oga tu ndani. Poa, kuna iga oh. So lakini ndani hamukuingia na ndani. Zilikuwa zimefungwa. Okay, let's talk the issue of the blocks. I know bricks. Guys, I was saying blocks. This next month I'll bring the blocks for the construction. I'm telling you.
Wow. That is good work, man.
You see, let me tell you the advantage of blocks.
Yes.
It can't like cracking. You see the bricks? It's crack. Hata miara yangu yatapigwa. Wakati nitakuwa najenga ndio anatolewa kwa tanuru. Direct. Yani yanatoka kwa tanuru anakuja kujenga. Yakimaliza kazi navalisha karatasi juu. Yeah, so I'm telling Brother Dagi, even me I have one of the project of these bricks at my neighbor. And then when the time reach I want to build my mama house, is that day I want to deliver step by step. There's another project here. Can't you go kundikiri?
Sasa tuko mara nyingi nkareta tandarwa.
Ah.
Lakini kanyora too late ntare nge hano. Kwa hiyo tukana nyingine na sasa. Wana tare nge kwa basi yao ni.
All right. Guys, anyway, thank you so much. Go and check Brother Dagi.
Guys, go check me out at a Brother Dagi YouTube channel. Guys, support me, subscribe, like and share. And we really like you, our good subscribers, that you are supporting us here by watching our videos. God bless you a million times. And my brother, thank you for visiting me and thank you for your support. God bless you. Guys, this is how you are working here in the village. And we really salute you for the support that you are giving us. Guys, let's shine together. All we deserve to shine, guys, you know.
Okay.
And God bless you guys.
For my premiere again, another video is coming on today's vlog. I'll join and then you see that later, guys. So stay tuned. Wow, guys, thank you so much. I'm just around at home, and that being said, on these videos, I'm going to host one of our young upcoming YouTuber. So that being said, yesterday, I want to help her in all means, and by helping her is by introducing her to you guys, and you can able to subscribe to her channel. Like, since I met her on this platform, she was around 5 subscriber. So right now she was 52 subscriber. Thank you so much for the love and support that you show her toward. Please guys, go and guide her. And for me, I'm showing her how to film the videos, how to do a nice videos here and there. Actually guys, on behalf of myself, I'm not perfect personally, but I'm trying even to grind so hard. This is what I'm calling home. This is where everything is. You can see picture right now right there. And this is my house. That's actually, it's my dad's place, but I'm trying to change it step by step. Wow, look guys, amazing view. We have avocado trees, but nowadays the birds which come here to camp on these trees here have migrated from this place to another. Wow. I'm telling you. And on this side here I have my baby, and it's very, very clean. Imagine. So I want to say thank you so much for Monkia. May God bless you to buy for me a baby. It's taking me around all the village, but this is how things they is. You can tell. Look, a nice front touch. Like, actually I changed them last week on Tuesday last week. You can tell. Look, this is how my baby looks like, and for me, I love it. It's crazy. People written here JK, like JK means Jomo Kenyatta Airport. Wow. So she's just around here. So I want to meet her and ask her for the several questions here and there. And actually right here, it's the sweet potatoes vein, I'm telling you. Oh boy, I'm a bad. Look, I have a nice and this one it's a veranda. I constructed it last year 2024 December, so to prevent this house maybe by affecting by water and all stuff. So right now this house in future it could be a bulletproof house. I'm telling you, if one day you visit to Africa, especially in my village, you see this house, and then maybe I will host you inside here, maybe. But I have those plan when I finish building my mama dream house. I have the plan to build like a rental house, but I give one of my brother, second brother, and maybe the remaining 2 room it could be for the maybe when my visitor arrived at my home, I could host her or him free accommodation, and then we keep moving on. Bye. Yeah. Huh? So on other side I'll show you where maybe like right now I'm on the process of buying materials. I was saying this every day, guys. You keep supporting me by watching my videos. Don't skip ads, and drop this comment at the end of the month. At least if it's bad, at least I buy one of the material that I needed on the ground. But right now, so I'm thinking to have cement. I'm thinking to have at the same time blocks, and that's how to reach here going that way. And let me show you for my mama, we start from that corner here up to this way, because it's around, maybe I'll build 3 bedroom to 4 bedroom, but I will see how the plan goes. So I'll go and see the plan, and I indicate down. I'll see how things goes, because when you have enough space, I will build 3 bigger bedroom when maybe the space it's allowed. And this was the house I was talking about. When I finish this, by God's grace, maybe next year I'll work for this house. Like, you see how it goes, it looks like rental. So every room could be have sitting room and bedroom and maybe kitchen, and then for my visitor like 2 rooms, and then the rest room I will give one of my brother and then our last brother, so they can stay and live comfortable, you know. No one who want to be poor, but because of maybe financial, you know, things like that. But guys, I want to say sorry for saying maybe in this underlying the terms poor, you know. Maybe some places people are poor, like not on my family, like other places. Maybe people, they can feel hungry, no shelter, no clothes. But here we say, God, thank you so much. As long as we eat every day, we put something on table, we're ready to live. Why not? Bye-bye. We have the cow here. Look. The beautiful cow. And actually, that's my grandma home. In case you're new here, I'm showing you where I came from and how I'm living, how I'm doing things here and there. Wow, maybe people will ask me, hello baby, there's one day when I bought this shirt and I make a video. People ask me, are you in Jamaica? Because of this maybe umbrella is like these trees here, green trees here. I said, no, I'm in Kenya. So maybe that person dreamed that one day I could go to Jamaica. I have my material right there for the construction of my mama, guys. So let me show you. For me, I show people, maybe in case you are new here. Let me rush, guys, to show you. You see right here, this material right here. Imagine I was working for almost 6 months, and then I bought these materials around here. It's step by step, guys. If Hello Baby can work so hard, and I'm trying to do an inspiration videos to inspired young youth like Hello Baby Official outside there. Look, and also on these videos, as I said earlier, I'm going to introduce her again on this platform. Like, she can say what kind of videos that she's going to do here and there. And maybe, you know, ladies or girls, they love to eat. Maybe they want to make cooking videos and all stuff. Bye. Huh? Alright guys, I think I want to introduce her like for the second chance, but I'm planning to have like on my full length of my videos, so you can able guys like to see how we vibe, and you subscribe to her channel. So she's just right here, right?
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Felicitas. I have a YouTube channel.
Okay, you have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Which kind of videos did you going to do?
Cooking,
Cooking,
yeah, traveling,
cooking, traveling.
and a village life.
Right. So even me, I was being advised, if you want to travel, you must have enough money. So like, for example, on today, I would say, okay, I'm traveling. And then on my pocket, I didn't have money. But it's good to dream ahead. Like, man, I'm telling you, maybe you can travel to Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Tanzania, you know, East Africa.
Yes.
By the time if you make maybe in this platform, when it succeed, you can make a lot of money, and then you're ready to travel. You know? Yes. Dreamer, say valid.
Name.
Dream come true. Like, you can go. How many subscribers did you have?
The pig.
Huh?
Oh, 52.
52 subscribers.
Yeah.
How did you see? Did you gaining something?
Yes.
Like subscribers, views? But actually, the good thing about I myself, even me when I was starting my YouTube, even up to nowadays, me I didn't mind views. I put videos every day. You know? So the moment you put videos every day, maybe you capture, you are like to have 1 subscriber, 2, you're ready to go. So maybe today you are going to make a video. And guys, you will go? You'll make?
Yeah.
Or tomorrow?
I will make today.
Today. Automatically, she was making cooking videos. And for me, I was watching your videos every day. And then I comment there. When I see maybe a mistake, I would maybe keep advising you. So you just plan one day we'll have a full-length video with you, so maybe people can know you, who you are, which kind of video do you make. All right?
Yes.
Like right now, don't fear the camera. I know even for the starting you can fear, and then maybe if you're shooting the video, just make a smile on your face. Don't look like you know, ladies, they can make smile like that way. If you are shooting the videos, if you're watching my video, you see like I'm laughing here and there. You know, that's a good way you can go. Like if you're making your videos and you are in sad mood, people they can think, oh, you have a problem. Just make videos when you're laughing, enjoying. You know. Yes. Wow. Introduce one more. Maybe somebody sitting outside there, they want to know your name on the YouTube channel. And actually, day by day, I'll tag your link on my videos. So that's how you see maybe some improvement here and there. You know, for me, to be honest, I have a good fans outside there who are watching my videos day by day. So maybe I have my silent watcher. I have like those people who are subscribing and watching, you know. So when I tag your link on my videos, you can maybe get 2 people subscribing, 5. It's step by step. Imagine if even me, I was starting from zero, 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 zero. And the way have been, the way maybe, not maybe, the way David Jr. inspired me pushing this platform, I will push you. Because I told my brother to open a YouTube channel, they refused. So maybe you have that chance. I can push you to the end. And, okay, people are passing at the back, don't mind. And the way maybe my family put something on table, even your family, they can put something on table. All right?
Yes.
Yes, boy. As long as you dream, yes, greeting that guy. As long as you dream and stay positive, all right?
Yes.
Don't make like negative videos. If you make a negative videos, you never see me on your channel. I'm telling you. Even one day, you know. You even when things went wrong, you just do positive videos. You see how my channel goes because I'm doing positive videos. But for example, say, okay, my mom's house caught fire. And I'm telling you, I'm using an example. You said, okay, for example, you're shooting a video at home, right? And then you say, okay, my mom's house caught fire and no fire. Nothing happened there. It's maybe you are doing a clickbait videos. Don't do that one. If you're cooking maybe matumbo, I see like you're preparing matumbo and banana. It's a good videos, you know.
Yes.
If you're loving to do cooking videos, you can do. But I'm trying to avoid to advise you, don't do betting videos. Betting videos, it can give you subscribers, viewers, and for example, you have 100k views, and I myself, I have 2k views. You think you make a lot of money? You think? You are doing the content of betting. Me, I'm doing the normal videos, vlogging. I have 2k subscriber. You have 100k subscriber. You think you make more money than me? You think? Yeah? You think?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah. All right. You have 100k subscriber. No, 100k views. I have 2k views. You know? So that person, you made a videos betting in the river. They start like to skip. See you maybe are making maybe some funny video in the river. And then at the end of the day, they like your videos. So you just make cooking videos, maybe village lifestyle. You can show people how you fetch water from the river, fetching firewood, you know, sweeping the compound, grazing the cow. Do you know how to graze the cow?
No.
Do you know how to cut the napier grass?
Yes.
Right. At your home there, did you have the napier grass?
Yes, we have.
You have the cow?
Yes.
All right. So by tomorrow morning, today we are going to make another videos. By tomorrow morning, you just wake up in the morning, yeah?
Yes.
Take outside the cow, go to the farm, cut the napier grass, you give them. At a normal day like this, go and maybe like fetch water from the borehole, give the cow. That's the kind of the content that you made. And then maybe it could be your daily routine as a village guy, all right?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, kindly go and subscribe to her channel at Felistas. Show her some love, guys. I was confused with the him because I was talking with my brothers here and there. So once more, what can you tell with my people who supporting you? You know, maybe we have my good people who watching your videos till the end and he or she didn't subscribe, you know. As long as, don't mind on subscribe, as long as maybe you have audience who are watching your videos from start to the end. Watching how is hectic. 4,000. All right.
Yes.
So what can you tell with my people who are watching your videos outside there? Huh? Utaambiaje nini watu wanaokuwatch pale nje? Alright guys, because of time, she want to go to her home and I wish you nothing but success, alright?
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming from here. Hey, mama, it's lunchtime. You're cooking ugali. Wow. hello.
Hello.
Subscribe
Subscribe.
to Hello Baby.
Dear baby.
Guys, if you heard from my mama, please do so if you haven't subscribed. Wow, so she was inside the kitchen. Oh, boom. This uga. The technique. Boom. We have the fire there. At the same time, we have the sardines here. And actually, right now, remember, my brother, he was around here. So I think by Friday, he left the village. And he has some workers in the farm. So that there's no you see mama cook maybe a lot of ugal here and there on this hot pot. Wow. You have tomatoes. And the reason why, guys, we boiled water to wash the sardines, it's because maybe like to remove the germs, or you know, like it's good to wash your food before you eat. Oh, hey, my mama, we tank. Yes. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now you see, mama, we tank around here, and we bought clothes maybe for the church and maybe went for the vacation here and there. So, in case you don't know the sardines, the sardines here a lot, and I bought from Tanzania. So right now, guys, a day like this, imagine we have the workers, like my brother's workers in the farm. They need to eat, and I'm telling you guys, in my family here, as long as people work at home, they must eat and get paid. Oh. And I remember, guys, it's lunchtime. Also, my sister, she came from school. Imagine, I have one of our brother. He can't wait the food when maybe it's late. He rushed to school. But my sister outside there, she was waiting the food prepared. Anyway, guys, in case you are new here and you doesn't know who I am with in the kitchen, this is my biological mother. So, like, I'm trying to change this family step by step. Hey. Wow, you see, that's the boiled water. So wash them. Hey, hey. African mom to the world, for sure. After this, guys, I'm showing you the workers were working at my brother's place, where he rented the land and planted the maize. Man, it's by God's grace. Wow. Okay. No, I'm going. Sassy. Wow. See that the fire right here, and then my mama soaked sardines in hot water, and the fire is coming out like, look. Let me give my sister to say hello. Imagine, my mama came from the farm with her new gumboots. It is what it is. Yvonne. Yeah, I'm calling my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Mata Nyaboni.
Mata Nyaboni. You want to go to school? I'm gonna subiri ugali.
Nasubiri ugali.
Oh, you are waiting ugali. Hey. Mama, kana ako takwa kero mwana nerangi birata. I'm asking mama, why don't you polish my sister's shoes? So my mama told me she polish her shoes because of the dust here. And you must be very smart. Guys, courtesy of you, my sister have a brand new shoes, socks, nice dress, the bag. Wow. For me, I feel so good. And Bruno is just around here. Today, I'll take you in the evening outside. Hey, my dog's growing so big, man. I'm telling you. So I want to show you for the people are working at my brother's place, and I think this maybe could be the end of the videos after hosting Felistas on my channel. Guys, please Love is for free. Show her some love. Subscribe. When I get a new member on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to her. When you support me, please support her. That's the best way you can improve each other here and there. Why not me, hello baby? Eh? You're laughing. See my sister. Why not your brother? Hello baby. Say why not. Say why not.
Why not?
Why not, hello baby?
Why not, Arrow baby?
Guys, subscribe to my channel. Give a video a like. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about. Oh, subiri lunch. Hey, subiri. I'm waiting her to eat lunch. To wait for the lunch. Let me go and, guys, show those people who are working at my brother's place. And then we'll see my mama take for them some food here and there. We have water here for the cow. Wow, that's my uncle's bike right there. Initially I was using it going to border town before I have my motorbike, going to border town. And you guys, one of the cuts of subscriber all the way from America, bought for me a bike which I have nowadays, so no more struggle. Let's see those people working there at the farm right there. I'm keep going down and then go that way to see them. See them. I'm going there, man. One day I will learn patois, like Jamaican patois. I'm coming there, man. Wagwan. Alright, guys. Africa is the motherland of Jamaica, and Africa, especially in Kenya, is the land of free freedom. You can do what you want. Mikwabe. You can go to video mahindi. Yeah. I'm telling my brother, why don't you plant maize here? Because maybe here you can have some 2 kg of maize. I'm telling you, other people are in the farm right now, like my uncles. People on the farm. I'm telling you, farming is our backbone. Because of too much of the sun, guys, maybe I had some issues with my camera, but it is what it is. One day I will improve with this camera to go to Hero 13, the latest camera that we have in Kenya. So guys, itakambero ani mora levo mora igere more ukiko 500. Hai gento getache mura gento getache wikai bate birin kurga baro ragere wen ko ngosore nguchande mura. I'm telling him I'm coming. Like nguchande is our vernacular language, means I'm coming, man. So this is the maize corn right here. Look. Like we make the hoe and then we put every hoe some maize. Bro, you good?
Yeah.
When did you leaving from home?
Today.
Today or tomorrow?
Today.
No, you just leave tomorrow. Because I have some message for you.
There is something that
That you eat. Hi. So you are leaving today?
Yeah.
That's the reason why you harash me planting maize?
Yeah.
Right. You do so. Can I tora kulikiri hayo?
Hai.
Kayu.
Don't go to Kiranda.
Imagine he was like covering the whole Mario Tatora Buya Tora Kulikiri. He was covering the whole Mahindagam. He was covering the whole one like your Koro Maigo Hikiri Gorohar. I'm showing you other guys are putting, like making the hole. My brother put the maize, and my mama, she was around here, but probably in the morning I was not here, so I was coming right now. Because guys, try to imagine, since morning I was going around the village, look the kind of video that I want to do, and that's how I'm ready to go. You see another guy here. He's trying to make the home. Rango tambukira sana. Hey. Yeah. I don't know what to do. Hey. Mama ukuletera nkupetra rancho ngujai. I'm telling him, don't worry, my mama, she will brought lunch here after a few minutes, because I left him in the kitchen preparing the sardines. She already cooked ugali. So mama nawaletea dagaa na ugali mkule mpate nguvu. I'm telling him, my mama bring here them some food so they can eat and get more energy. Hey, mbona vizuri vizuri. Vizuri vizuri za Swahili word means good goody. Good goody. Wow. Okay. Ubaoni ukura na mjengo. Ukuri nkiomba kumugoroba hapo 400 mbona. Ukura nkiomba ka saa 12. 400 nini kukotepi?
Mjengo nataka hivyo.
Labda kumusingi lakini tofari. I'm telling him, guys, I think 2022 up to 2023 I was going to the construction place, like where construction took place. I worked since morning up to evening time, and I have been paid $4 per day. Imagine, you eat their breakfast, you eat their lunch, but for them they are lucky. My brother paid for them $4, and then they give breakfast and lunch. You're so lucky, man. You just do work and put something on table at the end of the day. Oh, Tagambero. They were two strong boys. This one and you have another right there. You see that one, like the person there. So that's the kind of the work that we do here. Numwena kutunga mahindi. Atungiri kuruhara. Masai ifanye chini simura. Osumanta na. Modosi we.
Ora.
Eh.
Tumugambiri mwatata kwere ono alingiki.
So we have one strong boy here, and we have another one here. Actually, he was coming from the same family. Musa wangu tambukire mu. Tutamambuyo. I'm telling him you are good. Not like jumping. Like wow, no. Alright guys, now keep going. And I want to see whether the food is already, so they can able to get the food here. Oh, blessed family ever. I was coming in the blessed family, guys, and you guys, you will put me in prayers every day. Thank you so much for my good people. Thank you so much for my returning subscriber. I really appreciate for the love and support. Imagine, you have the land, but it's not a huge land. I think maybe it's my camera taking maybe around maybe 360 when I'm doing like this. You see, it's a huge land, I'm telling you. Maybe you have 100 by 50, and my grandma she has a lot of maybe sons, like including my father, my uncle, and then there's a time I make a video with my uncle from Tanzania. But I would plan one of maybe this year to visit him on his place in Tanzania, but it's far away. Wow. Let me greet my grandma, my grandma. It's a long time. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm so her but I did the end of the videos, so probably after visiting my grandma on her place, and then I'm going to check the food whether it's ready, because those two strong boy that say, okay, we hungry, right? Okay, let's go. Imagine this, it could be my dad's place, man. I could build here the house and migrate to this side, but it's my uncle's shares here. Where is the cow grazing here? I see the smoke. From other side, we have banana here, like matoke. This is banana, and maybe matoke, it has some other means. When you cook this banana, and then the cooked banana known as matoke, I think so. And matoke, it's a Ugandan language. You see my grandma right there. Coco, we okay. This is her food. Imagine. Oh, this is the maize corn here, and then it's the type of food that we have here. So I'm checking the time. Oh guys, the reason why I've been here is to greet my grandma and see how she was doing. Imagine, all day time you'll find her on this beautiful mango shade here, and yeah, when it's reached evening time, she went back to her house and sleep, and maybe sometime cook. You can see how she was working. Like, that's a walking stick. It supports her, like, not to fall down. Anambu yore goko. Oh, neterenda gokeria.
Asante.
Hi. Tane. Hi. Unenda yega. Hi. I'm telling her I'm going this way. So let me go. Oh, I see my mother the food, man. I'm telling you. My mom, she was a hard-working. Imagine, from the land, from the farm, preparing ugali. See African mom right there with the kitenke. And according to our culture, when people work to your farm, you take the food to the farm. Let's see, guys. My mom with the gambuti. Look how my mama, she was working the food. Like direct to the people. Mikwabi, Achumuragerum. I'm calling my brother. Let's come and eat. The food is ready. Mom, thank you so much. Now my mama, she was wearing the gumboots, going to the farm, making work easy. Even to avoid maybe your leg to be dirty and there. Chua samurai gare mura. Where me kwab? Come we eat. Keni hanga na busura hana kwanda ambukire buko. Da sura kidogo. Mama tutoro kumanyanki ha. That's to ragger. First come, first serve. Me, I'm going to eat. Like could I give you a crave? Tempo te me finger, ma, et ramber. Mi atano morage, murukima bon. So the food is already, and on this side here we have the kales or sukuma wiki for my neighbor, right here. Papa tadi teruni sabun indagere.
Tuninda anyuka. Ano pogorong. Nyalo kuchang ulingi mama te. Manya korona yacha.
Ahora te kombe kera, musa.
Nikina yango sora.
Wahi.
Vai mura. Kata macam kugidishi kairu, shamba torna. So it's time to eat. Aturan tabi man, todi sabi mura. Even me, I want to eat. It's good to share. I need kosawa. Taturu wa hambare mwale bonsu ni nakura kidogo. Na maragi mbanu bukimaka mutaragira nubwe.
Nigo chire muhondo kibulinga.
Sabato ne ribimena.
Unapata kulinga.
Because they're hungry, guys. Even they can't maybe pray for the food. The sudden see. Kiamonga ate them. Mahanovo. Elkori. Do like this. This. Oh God. And then my time. Hey.
Chabuchi kana kukiri.
Mao kori gituba.
Ngana maraba mutora.
You like this girl. Hey. They are hungry, guys. At the same time, I'm hungry, but me, I'm just. We do like this. Oh. Eh. Maybe haro. This sudden. All the way from Tanzania. Maybe haro. Mtoto ate mturi utubire mraga no suwa toka chinyangi hazo munta kugere ngombora agere. Na mbele suma. Asoneka 5 bariki. No moko ya simu jengo. Moga no mara akore gas. Uwe. Bono gas kunimani. Akora agere manyire. Let me go one round, guys. No problem. No, like no crying. I'm hungry. Whoa. You do like this. You see how my brother was doing?
Again.
Eh. Sasa tasuli mikima, murate wangu kupembesa mikima gani gao. Eh. Baba kori. Like. Wow, guys, me I'm just okay. We have the organic land here. We plant the maize and then we have ugali. I don't know how to hit it.
No, I got that. I had to cry. You can answer. I grew.
Igambro mono ba.
No, I'm going to go out there. It's okay. You can even have to
Hey guys, I'm saying just okay, but I'm continuing eating.
Get the igambro mono ba.
Anyway, guys, I want to end my video here. Thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. Go and check Felicitas, subscribe to her channel. I really appreciate it. And the way my family put something on table. Let's even have one day the family put something on table. Why not? Alright, guys. Much greeting from here. People on like on lunchtime eating. So I want to end my video here, guys. Bye.